Today we're going to be installing LED headlights on a 2018 Triumph Street Triple R. These are H4 bulbs that can be found on Amazon for about 40 bucks. Inside the box you'll find an instruction manual, zip ties, and double-sided tape. Finally, we have the bulbs that have drivers and fans attached to them. The first step is removing the dust cover off the back of the headlight to reveal the clip and the connector. Then you can remove the connector and push in and down to free the bulb. One of the things you want to keep in mind when installing LEDs is the orientation of the bulb. On the Street Triple, you want the shield to be on the bottom, so the light shines upwards. With these bulbs, you're able to rotate the H4 base to ensure correct orientation. Here I'm showing you how to orient the bulb inside the housing. The larger tab should be at the top of the headlight. Here I'm showing you a mistake that I made. There isn't much room to install the driver or the connector, and if installed like this, it will prevent the dust cover from closing. I apologize for the vertical video on this one, but this was after probably over an hour of fiddling, trying to get the bulb, the connectors, and the drivers to fit in the housing. The trick I found was actually to remove the H4 base and install that first. And I'll show a picture of what that looks like next. Once you have the base put inside, you can close the clip the same way you took it off, and then you'll be able to install the bulb by pushing it and then turning it to make sure that that shield that I mentioned earlier is oriented the right way. Once the bulb is put inside, you'll be able to put the driver and the connector into the housing. You'll have to play around with it a bit. It took me quite a bit of time to make sure it fit. And then the next step will be installing the dust cover and testing your lights out. The lights I bought were advertised as 6500K, and I find that it matches the accent lighting fairly well. And finally, here's a clip of the stock headlights for comparison. Since it is winter and I installed these during the daytime, I don't have any footage of what the output looks like at night. I'll save that for a separate video. Thanks for watching. If you learned something or enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, giving the video a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.